There it is. Sorry, it took me a little while there. There it is. Hello, everybody. How about adventures? And guess what I'm doing? I'm here at my local food fair parking lot in Proctorville, Ohio. This is pretty much where I roam at once in a while. I live around this area, so we got a car show. The first time car show I haven't been here. So let's see what they've got. Alrighty. This here is September 2nd. Automobile car show in Proctorville, Ohio. Today's Monday. This is my food fair. So I don't know if anybody likes car shows or not. So I figure it's a small one because it's a small parking lot. So we'll just go this way. Don't know how long my phone will last. But I figured this will be the first Ohio Valley Adventures filming a car show before. Some of these are way past my time, but I used to build stuff like that right there. At my age, I'm 44, but in all mechanics high school, I used to build stuff. Oh, there's stuff down this way. Well, let's walk down this way then. It'll be a walkthrough, uncut walkthrough. You see it as I see it. And if you all see something you like, just go on the comments and put on there a time frame of the car you like. Now, I like something like this, but I used to almost have one of these when I was younger. But I was about 16. My mama thought I was going to wreck it, so I couldn't get one. This is a newer one. It says in there. So, this is Proctorville Food Fair. This is in Ohio, Lawrence County, Ohio, in Proctorville, Ohio. This is my stomping grounds here. This is where the Ohio Valley Adventures moves around and films and lives. And my dad used to have one of those. I remember riding that thing. And this is all one cut. My dad had one of these too before. And it's right. And this right here, believe it or not, I had a white one. Mine used to be in 1973. I built from scratch. Man, this reminds me of my other one. Mine was a 1973 Super Sport. Nova Super Sport. Identical to this. Mine's a Super Sport, I don't think it is. But same body style. I built from scratch. Bought them up. I was 17. Done everything to it. See, Nova, and that's not a Super Sport, but yes, it is right there, Super Sport. That's what I thought. And I got to build up as usual. Mom thought I was going to get a wreck, so I had to sell that too. So after that one, I just kind of went ahead and done demolition derby. I'd done it before. I also rode dirt track racing cars when I was about 18. Won a few. Then my last one was in Corbin, Kentucky. There was a raceway down there. I was in lead. And by the time I turned that last turn, someone broadsided me and flipped me over. I was hurt for a while, but that was the last time I have to do it because Mom told me not to. At 18, living in the house, you got to listen to your parents. But I'm 44 now. I wish I can go back today and do it again, but you can't wish for everything. That's pretty cool. That's for sale too. Get the rest of this one, that's for sale. There's the number. 68. My dad used to have that one.
Oh, it felt real good. Yeah, I've been about an hour. Yeah, it felt real good when the clouds come up.
And I have one of these cars too. I have one of those. It was a white one. Couldn't get it to start, so I had to resell it. Here's another Nova. It's an old Chevy. Sorry. If I go too fast, I'm sorry. I'm not sure how much I can film on my phone. Holy cow, look at that. Cool. And that's a newer one. Don't know why that's even here though. Here's another one. Trying to go slow. I can see one car show you see in the mall. Some don't have their hoods open up. And this is a nice one. I don't like these low riders. I don't know why people make these low riders. It kind of ruins them because you can't really drive them that much because they bump too much. Chevelle. Yeah, that's pretty cool. To have that one there. I think there used to be more cars here, but they've kind of left. Another Super Sport. $427. Cool. Man, look at that. Pretty bad shape in that what it was. Reconditioned. There's another Nova.
Hey buddy, go over and vote. It's number one. That's this little one's car right here.
Cool.
Go over and vote for it.
We'll do. Work my way up toward the front. That's a big one there. That's a what in the world? Oh, looks like a Dodge Charger. Almost. The Duke's hairs are, but it's not really, but it looks like one. This one here, you get a driver. Alrighty, another one. That's a nice one too. It's weird. Cramped in there, but hey, I'll take it. That, I don't think that's the original motor. I think someone put a straight 6 in that one. It looks like it's not the original motor of that one. There's too much El Caminos. I remember riding those when I was younger. I ride in the back end of the vehicle like I do a truck. These days they won't let you ride in a truck like that. Alrighty, like I said, it's uncut, so I'm gonna have to walk. I'm already sweating. I'm gonna try to walk fast. Show you what's uncut. One uncut. A doggy. We can tell he just. There's one there. Is it a Ford? What is that? Voice? Something? It's a cranker. There's another El Camino, but they look like they're fixing it up. It's not original though. Trying to walk around toward the front, you can see them. Yeah, some people are already leaving. Like this one truck here, he's leaving. That one there. It's pretty cool. I like that one. It's neat looking. Looks like this looks like James Bond one there. And that's a good big one too. Cool. I don't know why that one's even there. It's newer. I don't know why they put newer vehicles for car show. Should be the older ones. That's a big one. And that's a weird one now. Here. Now this looks like Scooby-Doo thing. I don't think it is, but that's what it looks like. It's called, no, the Great Goblin. Cool. The Green Goblin. There's your truck. Man, that's a big one. That is deep looking. I guess there's a... Well, that's a weird looking Mustang. I never seen one like these before. Look at this. Shelby Super Snake GT 500. Dang. Look at that. I'll quit talking. This is 2009 Shelby Super Snake. One of only 3 convertibles in this color. Holy cow. There's only 3 of these made, and it's one of the 3. Well, that's neat looking. There, Corvette. That's a big trunk. I'm already at almost 12 minutes. I'm trying to keep them around 12 to 15 minutes. My phone kind of dies out then. Alrighty, this is about the end of the road here. Hope I don't walk too fast. My phone's not that big. I used to race one of those. 18 years old, I used to race one of those. That brings back memories. So, if you like what you saw, comment and tell me what you like out of the deal. See how many people comment on what they like and see which car in the comments is the winner. That's a game thing. Alrighty. Like I said, this is the food fair parking lot in Proctorville, Ohio. See, taking the phone to zoom in there. Family Dollar. This is the Hall Valley Ventures stomping ground here. So if you ever see me out anywhere around this area, give me a shout out. Say, hey, don't feel afraid not to talk to me. I'll put you in my vlogs or videos. Alrighty. Hope you like what you saw and comment and that's it. Thanks.